With its eye-catching design and alluring combination of performance and personalization, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus stands out among Xiaomi's Note 13 series. The Redmi sub-brand, which the Note 13 Pro Plus belongs to, is well known inside Xiaomi for producing affordable, high-quality smartphones. If you're looking for a smartphone with a ton of features, this one is worth considering because of its camera and video capabilities. Design. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G flaunts a sophisticated fusion design, which expertly combines a metal frame with a premium glass back. Even though it's easy to smear the matte finished back, the Fusion White version makes it look sophisticated. The right side features an ergonomically placed power button and volume rockers for added convenience, while the top contains an infrared blaster and a secondary microphone for controlling household appliances, while the bottom features a USB-C port, primary microphone, and 2 speakers. Some users might be disappointed to see that there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. If you're worried about the phone being wet or dusty every once in a while, you can rest easy knowing that it has an IP68 rating. It has an in-screen fingerprint sensor for added safety and is made with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for long-term durability. Display. Spectacular visuals abound on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G thanks to its 6.67-inch 3D curved AMOLED display. With a screen-to-body ratio of 93.35% and a pixel density of 446 ppi, this device's stunning 2712 by 1220 resolution makes every detail pop. This dynamic screen is compatible with Dolby Vision and HDR10+, and it has a refresh rate range of 30 to 120 Hz, giving you plenty of options. A visually attractive and highly responsive display experience is guaranteed by the 240 Hz touch sampling rate, a wide color gamut of 100% DCI-P3, and an astounding 68 billion plus colors. The screen's peak brightness of 1800 nits further guarantees legibility in a wide range of lighting scenarios. OS. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G runs MIUI 14, which is fully compatible with Android 13. Xiaomi places a premium on long-term software support, promising 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patch updates. Note 13 Pro Plus owners can rest assured that their smartphones will be well prepared for the upcoming switch to HyperOS. This demonstrates Xiaomi's commitment to regularly updating their handsets with the newest software updates, guaranteeing improved performance and security for all users. A future-proof and improved user experience on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is Xiaomi's ongoing goal, and this dedication demonstrates that. Performance and hardware. To provide a flawless user experience, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset, which is manufactured using a 4nm technology. This chipset features 2 high-performance Cortex A715 cores operating at 2.8 GHz and 6 efficient Cortex A510 R1 cores operating at 2.0 GHz. It has configurations with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage that include 8 GB plus 256 GB, 12 GB plus 256 GB, and 12 GB plus 512 GB of storage memory respectively. 12 GB plus 256 GB was the configuration that was evaluated. The increased camera capabilities of the smartphone are made possible by the utilization of an ARM G610 MC4 GPU and an Imagic 765 ISP. When it comes to gaming, it comes with a stainless steel VC cooling system that measures 4,000 square millimeter and prevents the computer from overheating during demanding activities. A single-core processor scored 2,207, a multi-core processor scored 7,400, and a graphics processing unit scored 14,183. These are all outstanding scores. Camera. With its big ISOCELL HP3 sensor and focal length of 1.65 aperture, the main camera of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is a powerful 200-megapixel shooter capable of capturing vivid, detailed photos in a variety of lighting circumstances. The 12.5 megapixels mode is great in low light, while the 50 megapixels pixel bin shots keep their crispness. Electronic and optical picture stabilization lessen blur caused by handshakes. There is a 16 megapixels front-facing camera for self-portraits, a specialized 200 megapixels mode, and 4x lossless hybrid zoom. Night mode, pro mode, panorama, long exposure, tracking focus, and more are all available for photography. Daylight photos captured by the cameras showed excellent contrast and dynamic range, as well as vivid details, true colors, and little noise. Details remained sharp at 100% magnification in the 12.5 megapixels pixel-binned photos. Handheld low light and night shots were sharp even without optical image stabilization thanks to the fast focusing technology. Battery. A USB Type-C port and 120-watt hypercharge capability are features of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, which is accompanied by a 5000 mAh battery. The charging time during the testing was nearly 22 to 26 minutes. The phone has more than enough juice to last a whole day. No joke. Verdict. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G has all the essentials that people require in the modern day. The Corning Victus protected AMOLED display has a brilliant variety of colors and a standout fusion color. It comes with a new processor that works well and has an IP68 rating. The battery life is sustainable, and it charges quite quickly. For those who are passionate about photography, the 200 megapixels lens with OIS offers superior results. However, Xiaomi should further pare down the number of programs that come pre-installed. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.